What is going on, Heads Up team? Welcome on back. It's Mike, and today is Saturday, so we have Saturday night's main event later on tonight. But what's a good main event without some undercard matches? So to start off the evening, we're going to rip my rookie card explosion box. This is volumes 28, produced by our good friend Filmington. So we're looking forward. One of our favorite times of the month when Filmington puts out this fantastic repack product with some awesome uh, product that has rookie cards that we're looking for. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got in this one. Good luck to me, I guess. As we open, I did already open it. I took the peanuts out of it. Sue likes peanuts. This is what we got in here. We got a pack of 1993 Score, potentially having a Derek Jeter rookie card in there. 2015 Topps Update. Says Frankie Lindor, Carlos Correa, Chris Bryant, Byron Buxton, Joey Gallo, Eddie Rosario, a ton of other rookies in there as well. We got 2018 Heritage High Number. 2018 Heritage High Number. Juan Soto, Ronald Acuna, Glaber, Shohei, Austin Meadows. Lots of top rookies in there. I pulled an Acuna action variation out of this product before, so we'll look to keep that one hot. 2018 Heritage Minor League. Akil Baddoo, the hottest thing going in baseball right now. Also has Jordan, Shane Bieber, Tatis, Vladito, Brian Hayes, Gavin Lux, Alex Kirilloff. Tons of potential out of that one. 18 Series 1, rookies of Devers, Albies, Bueller, Flaherty, Verdugo, Robles, Frazier. Very nice. 1 second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. We're back, ready to rock and rip. We got a pack of 19 Topps Update, Vlad Guerrero, Tatis, rookie debut, Mike Yastrzemski, Castanera, Nick Senzel, Brendan Rodgers, and Will Smith. We got a 2020 Bowman Retail, Dominguez, Bobby Witt, Robert Poisson, and Bayron Lora. 2020 Topps Chrome, we saw some of this last night in our break. Pulled a nice Tatis short print variation. We'll be looking for Lou Bob, Bo Bichette, Jordan Lux, Rosarena, and Kyle Lewis. And then 2020 Series 1, Bo Bichette, Jordan Lux, Rosarena, and Kalu in this one. So, yeah, let's see what we can do. Start off with that Score. Looking for that Jeets. All right. Oh, Jim Abbott. Nice one there. David Cohn, Gary Pettis, Storm Davis, Kevin Mitchell, Jeff Conine, and there's a Tony Phillips scores leader. Kevin Rogers, rookie prospect. Pedro, there we go. How about a Pedro Martinez rookie card? That's a nice one there. Worth noting. Dan Wilson, rookie. Mark Lewis, Todd Hundley, Steve Farr, Bags, Jeff Bagwell, Andy Bennis, and Lance Johnson. 15 update. Let's see what we can get out of this one. We got a buyback. That's cool. Dual rookies for the Padres, Chris Rierick and Corey Mazzoni, back before you wanted to get the Padres. Rookie home run derby, Jock Peterson, Danny Valencia, Prince Fielder, and Bolt. Rock Holton there. Matt Whistler rookie card. Bringer of Rain. There we go. Bringer of Rain. Asher Wojciechowski rookie for the Astros. Justin Upton, Jason Frazier, and our buyback for the Expos, Earl Williams on a 77 Topps. Very nice. Original. Topps original. What's next? Let's do the 2018 Series 1. Tyler Flowers, Miguel Sano, Carlos Carrasco, Rhys Hoskins rookie insert. Not bad. Top salute. Hoskins rookie insert. Conforto, Rockies card, Marlins card, Scott Feldman, Will Myers, and Josh Tomlin. Yeah, we'll just go down the way here. 2020 Series 1. Give me just a quick second here. There we go. I totally somebody at my door myself. There's a Brian Abreu rookie card. My mother-in-law yelling at me, yelling down to me, not yelling at me. Miggy, Tyler Alexander rookie, Billy Hamilton, Hansel Robles, Larry Garcia, Nicky Lopez, Johnny K, Charlie Culberson, JBJ, Ian Kennedy. Got a decade's best teams of the 2010s. San Francisco Giants. Insert David Dahl and Adbert rookie. There we go. Hit an Adbert auto last night. Out of this product, 2020 Topps Chrome. What do we get? Something thick. Let's see what we got. We got a rookie of Travis Demerit, rookie of Anthony K. How about a Prism rookie of Bobby Bradley? Prism rookie, not bad. And then a purple refractor rookie, Edwin Rios. All right, not too bad there. Numbered 197 out of 299. Edwin Rios, purple refractor rookie. Pretty solid there. All right. 2020 Bowman. Got a box of this for us for next week, guys. Get excited about that. We got Yastrzemski, Adames, KB, Max Muncy, Matt Chapman, and Kikuchi. There's an Eric Pardino spanning the globe, Franklin Perez, Daniel Lynch, Owen Miller. There's Joe Adell prospect, not bad, and Joey Bart prospect. So a couple nice 2021 rookies there. Prospect cards. How about 2019 update? Even that Tatis out of this is doing well. So let's see what we can pull. Greg Holland, Ty France rookie, not bad there. Nice rookie. Tommy Canley, Louis Arias rookie, very nice. Brewers card, Pineda, Kikuchi rookie debut, Omar Narvaez, Tyson Ross, Keuchel, Castillo, dual rookies of Parker Markle and David McKay, Soroka, and how about a gold rookie debut, Tatis. Sick hit. How about that, guys? There we go. 1680 out of 2019. Put that in my rainbow. I got base and silvers, no gold. Very nice. That's exciting. Next up is the 18 Heritage Minor Leagues. See if we can get a Badu, Badu, Badu. Alex Fado, Jojo Ramiro, Nick Senzel, not bad. Angel de los Santos, Matt Sauer. There's a Kalu, not bad there. Kyle Lewis, Josh Naylor, and Kobe Allard. So nothing really of note there that I know of, unless one of these is a high number, which it doesn't look like it is. So just a base pack there, which is all right with the Kalu. And our final pack, 18 Heritage high number. Let's see what we can do. John Axford, the aforementioned Brock Holt, Jordan Hicks rookie card, Jesse Biddle rookie card, Miracle of 69, Cleon Jones. So, somebody was talking about Cleon Jones the other day. John Jay, Clayton Richard, Ronald Torres, and Mark Leader. Well, nothing too crazy besides obviously the gold Tatis rookie debut. That's sick. This is such a fun product, though. I enjoy opening it every month. Filmington does a great job putting it together. Here's his information. Check it out. Check him out at Rookie Card Explosion Box on Instagram. Follow him on YouTube, Filmington. Thank you guys so much for joining and jumping in and watching this one. And we will see you all at 7 o'clock for team randomizing. Until then, guys, I am out of here.